You see the babies, the mother, the fathers in their bedrooms. It's not a war. It's not a battlefield. It's a massacre.
6:30 בבוקר, התחילו אזעקות בלי סוף. בלי סוף.
They are shooting, they are burning our houses. I said to myself, how can it be? How can it be?
The windows are shaking, the walls are moving.
בשעה 10:30 שלחו כבר לבת שלי סרטון שבו מראים לה את הרצח של החברים שלה בחוף זיקים. זה היה הרגע שהבנו שיש מלחמה.
Shalom from just outside of Jerusalem. We are here at Yad HaShmonah holding a rest and restoration retreat for people who survived the October 7th massacres and are still living with the nightmare of what they experienced that day. So many of these precious people lost family members, loved ones, neighbors, friends, heartbreaking stories.
זה לקום בבוקר ולא להפסיק לבכות. להבין איזה יום היום, מה התאריך, איפה אני גרה, לקום בבוקר רגע, אבל זה לא הבית שלי. איפה אני? מה קורה?
Everybody's still worried, everybody's still like on the edge. Everybody's like in therapy.
There are some things that I'm not doing today. Like it's the first time that I'm going out from home, from the house. I'm not going out.
והבן הקטן שלי לא דיבר. הוא לא היה מוכן לצאת מהחדר, הוא לא היה מוכן לדבר עם אף אחד, הוא לא אכל. הילד הזה רזה 10 קילו ב3 שבועות בערך, וזה ילד שאוהב, והוא היה פשוט
She asking us about the hostages. She's 5 years old. In what country a 5 years old need to know what is a hostages?
And we have put together this retreat with your help in order to give them rest and restoration of their souls.
אני הגעתי לריטריט הזה, כי היה לי מאוד מאוד חשוב לעשות איזה פאוזה בחיים שלי. לצאת מהלחץ הזה, שאני באמת כל יום מנסה מחדש להוריד את סף הלחץ. בידיעה שלא עומד לקרות פה איזה משהו, כי אני במקום רחוק מעזה, כבר עושה לי את הרוגע הזה, והשלווה והנחת, ואני מודה לעצמי שהגעתי לפה.
The session that we had this morning about how to help children to go through these difficult times was very helpful. I took a lot of tools to try with my daughters. Every time she hear the door opened or the door knocking, she go for a hide and seek game.
You feel good that somebody care. It's look like everybody hates us, and then you're getting this beautiful thing from somebody that is outside from Israel, and you're like, wow, thank you. Not everything is bad.
And you, not that you are coming and giving us, you also taking out our stories and showing them to the people all over the world. It's so meaningful and important.
If you would like to join us in bringing comfort and the love of God to a people deeply in need, to know that others are standing with them so that they can have a hope, you can join us with your prayers and your compassionate and generous giving. Go to reachii.org, reachii.org, to partner with us to bring the love and comfort only found in Yeshua to the suffering people of Israel as a result of the October 7th massacres.